In this lesson, in our beginning practice and technique bootcamp, this is going to be a really important lesson because we're going to start building the strength and the dexterity and the speed needed to become a great guitar player. This one is going to use your first and your second fingers. This is a really important lesson because this is a foundation of so many practice and technique and warm-up that you need to build, and it's starting to build our first and our second fingers. We're going to work on all our fingers and get them going, but this is really a great lesson to kind of get going, get warmed up, start building that dexterity, that strength that you need to become a great guitar player. And even though this one may seem simple, you want to take your time, you want to practice it slowly, you want to practice it accurately as well as we move up and down the strings and also up the neck. All right, let me show you exactly what it's going to sound like. All right, so this one, we're going to be using the first finger and the second finger to really build that strength and dexterity in these. Now I'm going to use this electric guitar, this Fender electric guitar. You can use any guitar is fine. So if you have a classical guitar, if you have a steel string guitar, acoustic, it doesn't matter. I'm just using the electric for this one. Now, I am going to use a pick for this one, and I'm going to use all alternate picking. If you want to take it up a step and you want to use maybe your thumb or alternating first and second fingers, that's totally fine as well, and that will develop some more right-hand stuff. But even with the pick, you can do some great technique work with this as well. If you need a pick or need anything for your guitar, make sure to check out store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, you ready? Let's dive into this thing right here. We're going to start on the first string, first fret with our first finger. We're just going to be downstroke and then up on our second finger with the second fret. That's it. As simple as that, but this is a really important lesson to really get down, get it smooth, and get it accurate as well. After that, we're going to go to the second string, do the same thing. Third string, fourth string, fifth string, and the sixth string. Now we've kind of paused for that one, so we'll do it straight, all quarter notes, nice and slow. Let's just do that. 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Couple tips here, practice or pro tips here. When you're playing this, make sure you're playing right on your fingertips, and make sure that all your knuckles here or your joints are curved. That way you play right on that fingertip and you get nice clear notes. You're also going to play right up to the fret, not on top of it, but right up next to it. It gives you a nice clear sound and makes it really easy to press down as well. As far as your thumb is concerned, I know it's a big question. Everyone's a little different. Some people will have their thumb over a little bit. Ideally, you want to have it just about the middle to the top half of the back of the fretboard. You might see it a little bit pointing out here, but that's fine for this one. After we get to the sixth string here, we're just going to slide it up to the second fret, third fret. We do the same thing, except we're going to come down now. And then when I get here, I'm going to slide up to the third fret. Now I'm going to slide to the fourth fret. Keep going. And then fifth fret. Now we're bringing the backing track. We're going to stop right there on the fifth fret. If you're practicing on your own, and I do recommend with a backing track or a metronome, you can actually go up or down as high as you want. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do on that one? Leave a comment below. 1 to 5. 1 meaning you need some more work. 5 meaning no problem. You got it. You're ready to either use a fasting back contract or start playing it up and down the neck, which you can do with the different back contracts we had. That was a 120. That was a medium back contract. If you need to go slower, go slower. If you want to go a little faster, you can do that as well. Also, make sure to post a video of yourself doing this. I know that's the final step in this whole thing of becoming a great guitar player and learning through courses and online stuff, is that you got to become part of the Rock Like the Pros Nation. So post a video of yourself doing this exercise over on the rocklikethepros.com forum, and then you'll see people will comment, and then you can comment on their videos as well. Great job. Stick with this. We're just getting started. We're going to start incorporating more fingers, more exercises, more everything in this course. So anyway, I'm glad you're here, and I'll see you in the next one.